The messaging feature in MyGeotab allows users to communicate with drivers through messages sent between the fleet management application and the Drive app. Messaging is currently a beta feature and is not available by default. If you wish to use messaging, you will need to enable it for each user and driver who will use the feature. To do so, navigate to Administration, Users. Select a user or multiple users from the list to enter the User Edit page. Select the UI Settings tab. Set Feature Preview to On and click Save, then refresh the page. Access the messaging page in MyGeotab by navigating to Zones and Messages, Messages. To send a message, click New Message and choose recipients from the Devices, Drivers, or Groups list, or Search. Click Compose Message and type a message to be sent to the driver. If desired, you can provide canned replies for the driver, which will bind responses to the message as a set of buttons. To do so, click on Canned Replies and select an existing one or New Canned Reply. Enter each canned reply on a new line and click Send. Search previous conversations on the left side of the screen. If desired, enter a search word or phrase and click Search Options. From here, choose to include undelivered or system messages or to search vehicle names only. Choose a search period and click Apply. From the results, click on a message on the left to view the entire conversation.